Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video about dining tables, centerpiece make way. Every meal feel warm and cozy. Start with the runner made of burlap or soft fabric. Add pumpkin, spin cone and autumn leaves along the center of the table. Place candles or lantern between the decoration. To bring a soft glow, you can also add a corn or seasonal flower for extra charm. The mix of nature, texture, and warm colors creating a welcome space. It's simple, festive, and perfect for family gathering in the fall season.